In this video, I will show you how you can fix unable to join the network on any iPad. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to settings. Now under settings, just tap on Wi-Fi. Now just tap on the eye icon in front of the Wi-Fi network with which you are facing this problem. And after that, just tap on forget this network. Now just select forget. And after you do that, you will forget the selected network. Now under the Wi-Fi settings, just select the network again and enter the password of the network again. Now in most cases, this issue will be fixed by forgetting and reconnecting the network. But if your issue is still not fixed, then under settings, just tap on general. And under the general settings, just tap on date and time. And from here, just check if the date and the time on your iPad are correct or not. If they are incorrect, you can set them manually just like that. And you can do the same thing with the time. But what I recommend is just enable set automatically. And after you do that, your iPad will automatically set the correct date and time according to your region. After you do that, then just go back to the general settings. Now over here, just tap on VPN and device management. Now just check if there is any VPN network connected with your iPad or not. If there is any VPN network connected with your iPad, just disconnect it from here. After you do that, then just go back to the main settings page. And over here, just tap on privacy and security. Tap on location services. Now just enable the toggle for location services. After that, just tap on system services. Now on this page, you will find the option for networking and wireless. Now just disable this toggle. Now just select turn off. And after you turn off networking and wireless, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just simply press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Once your iPad finishes restarting, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go to settings. And under settings, just tap on software update. And over here, just check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPad. After that, just go back. And under the general settings, just tap on transfer or reset iPad. Then tap on reset. And from this pop-up menu, just select reset network settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the network related settings of your iPad. But if this also did not work, then just try to reset all the settings of your iPad. And by doing that, again, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.